Okay, welcome back students. So in the previous class we have discussed some pointer program, okay, two-dimensional array program. I hope you understood clearly. So in this class we discussed memory leaks. It's a just simple concept, okay. Memory leaks means, you see, when we allocate memory dynamically, what we operator used? We use two dynamic allocation operator. One is new, another one is delayed, right? For this, suppose if anyone allocate the memory, okay, but he forgot the deallocation operation. Suppose if you allocate the memory and if the purpose of the memory is done, then you have to be deallocate the memory, delayed concept, right? But if anyone forgot the delayed operation, forgot the deallocation operation, then the memory will be what? Memory leaks. This concept will be coming in that time, okay? You see? Okay. This is the concept, main concept. I write down the condition when memory leaks. You see in the books, I don't give you the note, okay, I just give you the concept. Many possible reasons lead to the situation of memory leaks okay. Most common of these are forgetting to delete something, that has been dynamically allocated. Okay. And second one is failing to notice that code may bypass a delayed statement under certain circumstances. Delayed statement under certain circumstances. And third point is, okay, mainly these two conditions. Forget to delete something that has been dynamically allocated. What I have been already told you, okay? And second one is same thing. Bypass the delete statement means if you allocate a memory, okay, and after if you forget to deallocate this memory, then the memory will be leaked. This memory leak concept will be coming in that moment, right? Okay. Means you can say if you can say this in one words, improper use of new and delayed operator. One line you can write, improper use of new and delayed may lead to memory leaks. If you want to write one statement, you can write improper use of new and delayed lead to memory leaks. You can write like this. Okay, next one is pointers and array, and this is very important concept. Okay, this is very important. I give you the star mark. Pointer and array. Okay, first of all I tell you what is array. Array is what? Collection of similar data types. Okay, means in the element of one array, the data types of the all element of the array is what? Same. If integer, then it will be integer. Character means it will be character. Floating point means it will all variable, means element will be float number. So pointer and array has a very similar concept. Okay, suppose if you define int a double r 5, right, means this is an array. This 5 memory allocation, you have to be allocate 5. Suppose this is int means some int value. Okay, but when this will be coming, actually when this will be coming, this will be what? Int pointer array. Means this integer is array is pointer array. Okay, means in here some memory address will be coming, and this in there the value with respect to this memory. Suppose one variable memory is 1002. Suppose two variable memory is 1002, 3 is 1003, 4 is 1004, 5 is 1005. Means a double r store this memory address, because a double r store the ampersand, means what? Ampersand returns the memory address, right? A double r store the memory address, and star a double r store with respect to this memory address the variable 1, 2, 3, 4 with respect to this memory address. Okay, don't be confused. I show you the detailed concept. Okay, okay, let's see. I write down a code snippet to understand you clearly, easily. Suppose consider the following code snippet. Okay, that's on code section, right? Suppose int in a, I don't write a header etc. main method, because this is just a code section for understanding purpose. Int one array is what? Age. How many memory? 10. See out. First of all I write down, after I show you the concept. Enter values for array as okay. So this is a loop. int I is equal 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Okay, then A is equal what? As. A is equal as. C out, this is for output line, backslash n. A points to star A. C out, S points to. Something. Okay. You see, what is the value of star A and star as means pointer? This is the main concept. Because as is what? As is a array. As is a array. You see, as is a array. How many memory block? 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Index is coming from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Okay. Suppose sum of the element of, suppose we store 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 18, 19, 20, right? And all variable have what? Memory address. So this is 1001, this is 1003. Why two difference? Because int data type has what? int data type has 2 bytes, it's consume 2 bytes of memory. Okay? 1005, 1007, 1009, 1011, 1013, 1015, 1017, 1019. Suppose. Okay? And this is index. This is memory address. And this is the element. Okay? So, you see, star A is an integer pointer which point to the where? Which point to the memory address of the array. Right? Means A is equal what? A is equal ampersand S. A is equal ampersand S. Means A store the memory address 1001, 1003, 1005 like that 1019. Like A store memory address. And star A is what? It store the value regarding this what? Memory address. For A is equal as, this is the concept you see, A is equal as okay, means it can store star A store the value of this element of the array. Means if you tell for the first address, because as 0 means as 0 has what element? 11 and memory address is 1001. This is called base address. This is called base address. This is called base address. Okay. And with respect to this address, this is the variable. Means star as is 11 and star A is also 11. If you see only the first address, regarding this first address, the value is what? 11. Means star A and star S both are same thing. Because here you see A is equal S. This is also one important concept. Star A and star S is 11. Because Star means what? It will points to the variable with respect to the memory address pointed by the pointer itself. Means it what? It pointed the memory address. With that memory address, with respect to that memory address, what variable is stored? Means star A is, suppose if we take the first memory address, base address, the first, with respect to first memory address, what is the variable value? 11. Means star A is 11 and star A is also 11. Both are same thing, right? Okay. And next is one concept. This is also on a pointer and array concept. Okay, see, if you any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in any time. Okay, don't be confused, don't be hesitant. So, suppose one thing I'll tell you. Okay, this is the same concept actually. This is same concept. Sometimes I return like AS3, same concept, AS plus 3, same concept. Means one concept is here in books. Means suppose this is the AS0, AS1, AS2 and AS3. Means you can write like this. This is AS plus 1, S plus 2 and you can write like this, S plus 3. Same concept. One concept I show you how it is accessing. Suppose array of int pointer, one concept I show you. Suppose an integer pointer int ip 5. Okay, means this is the array of 5 int pointer. Means we can hold 5. We can hold 5 memory address, right? We can hold 5 memory address. Suppose array IP is this. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So address is what? Okay. So IP is what? IP is stored in memory addresses, right? And one concept. This is one concept. Suppose int f is equal what? 12. This is some integer variable. S is equal 23. S FST 14, 31 and 29. Okay, means every variable has unique memory address. I already told you that was 1035, 1051. Okay, one 1071. Okay, see, memory addresses randomly. For IP0, memory address will be for %f. Memory address will be %s. Memory address will be %t. Memory address will be %fo, and memory address will be %fi. Okay. For this, as well, I clear you this concept. This is a array, or you can tell this concept is array of pointer. You can tell array of pointer. You can also tell this array of pointer. Same concept. Right? Means we define one array of 5 INT pointer. Right? So this is the array pointer 5 INT integer. This is the memory address of this. And what is store this? Say IP0 store what? Memory address of F. IP1 store memory address of this S. IP2 store memory address of this. IP3 store memory address of this. And this store this. Now, after this, suppose we build the array IP. This is what is the value? First IP0 store what? Memory address of F, and it has unique memory address. Means each element is what? Also a memory address of other variable. You got it? I already told you each element is what? Each element and variable is memory address of other variable. Memory address of this variable, 1051, 1060, 1062 and 1071, and these have also one memory address. Means if you notice that this array pointer means what? Its element is memory address of some other variable, and this memory address has also one memory address. If you notice that this is memory address and it has also one memory address, means everything in the computer has one unique memory address. This variable memory address has this variable memory address has this, okay, and this memory address has also another memory address. You got it? Means if you see 12 has memory address 1035 and it has also memory address as this concept. If you see carefully, means this variable has memory address 1035 and this 1035 is stored in an array of pointer, and this variable has also one memory address, this 2001. Means how we can access to the value? We can access to this, after that this, after that this. Means this concept is coming is that type. Star and star, 2 star will be declared. 2 star will be needed for accessing to the value. Why? Because we have to be accessed through 2 memory address. One is the element, this element is memory address, and each memory address has also another memory address. For we have to access the value, we have passing through the two memory address. That's why we use 2 star. You see how we can use. Okay, I think up to this you have clear concept. This is actually step number 3. This concept is step number 3. After this, I erase this first point. In 4 number point, you see, suppose we have to be access, we have to take the value of this 12, then we can access through what? Star IP star. This is the value of 12. We have to use 2 pointer, because we have to be passing through 2 reference, 2 memory address. Okay, because this is the memory address of this, and it has a memory address of this. Okay, if you only write star IP, then you go to the this 1035. Means IP is equal what? F is equal what? F is equal 12. Again I show you it's a memory address what? 1035. And 1035 is store is what? IP 0. Means if you store IP, okay, IP 0, and it has a memory address of 2001. Okay, this concept. If you accessing star IP suppose 3 means what? 0 1 2 3 4 1 0 6 2. This is 1062. Okay, means it is also concept like this. But if you define star IP3, then you can go to the 31, right? Because this IP3 IP has memory address 2007. IP3 memory address is what? 2007. And star IP3 1062, and star of IP3 is going to what? This 31. Okay. This is the concept. Means we have to use 2 pointers here, because we have to access. We have to be access 2 memory address. Okay. I know it will be somehow perplexed or confused to understood. I know. Just you see carefully from the beginning part, then easily understood. If you don't get it, you can ask me. Okay. Means you have to study from the beginning carefully, from pointer, then you can understand easily. If you don't clear the basic pointer concept, then you cannot be able to understand this. Okay. So this class it will be enough. Next class we declare briefly detail. Okay. Next part will be next pointer of string will be discussed in the next class. Okay. I know you just see carefully all the step by step, and you can easily understood, right? Thank you.